As a highlighted CrowdStrike partner, Truefort provides application visibility and security by leveraging the existing CrowdStrike agent and event data. Truefort's real-time application mapping gives security, application, and operations teams unparalleled visibility to understand the environment in the context of applications and identify unusual behaviors. The value of Truefort's solution can be immediately realized given the CrowdStrike agent is installed and collecting the necessary event data. Let's look at a use case for the Truefort partnership with CrowdStrike. Populated with event data from CrowdStrike, the Truefort UI gives you a real-time visual of the application communications in your environment. Starting at the highest level, we see 3 applications communicating: accounting, payments, and HR services. We can drill down on a given application, like payments, and start to see more granular information about how this application communicates, both internally and externally. The middle section illustrates the 3-tiered application with web, application, and database servers. The green lines indicate expected communications. We see communication between a backup server and our database server, which is a part of our normal backup process. Like most web applications, we see that the web servers primarily communicate to the app servers, and the app servers in turn connect to the database servers. We can even look at one specific server to understand what processes are actively running on that system and how they are communicating. Looking at the DB1 server, Truefort gives us the exact processes responsible for each network connection, in addition to the destination. Do you know how the applications in your environment communicate to this level of detail? Do you have assurance that there are no rogue communications taking place? All of this event data is made possible with the existing CrowdStrike agent and event collection. Truefort's machine learning and profiling capabilities help establish baselines so that unusual and potentially suspect activity can be identified. Looking back at the payments application, we can see an example of such behavior. We see a rogue workstation that is connecting directly to the database server. We also see anomalous communication between the unregistered workstation and the database server, which may indicate data exfiltration. Having the visibility to identify this kind of unusual behavior is critical to helping us identify process and security gaps. To get more information, the alert details are also available in a grid view. We can take action to address the immediate concern through the CrowdStrike UI. Even without a detection event, we can take a host name from the Truefort alert and search for that managed system in the CrowdStrike UI. We are immediately presented with options to remediate. We can first network contain the system to address any immediate issues. This ensures that the system no longer has connectivity to other network computers or the internet. We can also establish a remote session to the workstation so that we can collect forensic evidence and clean up any unwanted files and registry keys. Combining the power of CrowdStrike's event data with Truefort's application visibility tools yields immediate value to your organization. Truefort's machine learning can use the existing telemetry data to determine baseline behaviors, offer visibility into how applications are communicating, and highlight unusual activity. With CrowdStrike's response capabilities, you can then take action to remediate problematic connections to stop potential breaches.